Are you ready to transform your life and become that person God has designed you to be? Then, welcome to the Factory of Leader Movement. I am Dr. Francis Mbunya. My mandate is to help you gain clarity in your God-given purpose. The goal of this channel is to be able to help you align faith, strategy, and purpose so that you can be able to lead by revelation, not just by routine. In this Factory for Leadership movement, I will be helping you understand what it means to discover your calling, or be helping mentors on how they can multiply other mentors like them so that purpose become a true measure of success. Every week, I will share short practical video that help you grow in clarity, faith, and in momentum. If you're ready to review your career, if you're ready to review your vision, lead with purpose, subscribe, turn on the bell. Week is going to be a fresh new revelation.